Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using all these jelly print papers, then some napkins, then uh, some tissue papers. So I'm going to tear the edges and takes the pieces of jelly print paper and I'm going to use it in this project. So I'm going to use other jelly print papers and see where I want it and how it matches the color, and I'm going to tear some of the edges. So I'm going to first use the gel medium and stick this piece of jelly print paper. I'm just mixing the water into the gel medium. Now I'm going to first use it on the um, background, and then I'm going to stick this on the top. Then I'm going to add this other jelly print paper. It is always fun to do collaging. Um, and if you have all the jelly print papers, you can play with it with different colors and have fun. Now I'm going to use this napkin. Then I'm going to add that in this page. It's like it's like deli paper. Both like napkin and the deli paper are so nice to play with it. They just blend very easily in the background. Now I'm going to dry this. Then I'm going to trim on the sides. Now I'm going to use this neo color crayon and color it on the edges and blend it. Then I'm using different colors in neo color crayons. You can use even watercolor in this or acrylic. Any of those mediums are fine. And now I'm using black acrylic paint. I'm going to use some stamping. I'm using archival ink for that. I'm using this Posca pen and I'm just darkening it a little bit. I'm adding other stamps in this. Then now I'm going to heat it and dry everything. I'm using this acrylic paint and I'm just going to do the mark making. And then some dots with that. Now I'm going to use white acrylic ink and I'm going to do some splattering. Then I'm going to dry it. Once everything is dried, then I'm going to add this as the focal point. This is one of the part of women's series. So I'm going to do a little bit of shading. I'm going to do the shading and finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way, you will get all my videos as I post it. So, thanks for watching. Thank you so much for all the comments and subscribing. So, I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Um, I will see you then. Bye.